Hi, this is Paul. I'd like to share on behalf of Goodness Foundation about Food for Two and the Food for Two challenge. See, Food for Two is an initiative of Goodness Foundation, and this is the third year, third version of this campaign. This is to create an awareness on hunger and the issues of hunger and the impacts of it, so that each one, we try to instill responsibility among each citizens of this world, so that they can contribute towards having a hunger-free world. So that is the idea. And according to the UN Sustainability Development Goals, the second goal is the zero hunger. Towards 2030, they're looking to have a hunger-free world. So they're working towards it, and there are several organizations, foundations around the world working towards this goal. And so even Goodness Foundation is one among them. So if you take the statistics, almost 824 million go hungry daily, go to bed hungry daily. And in India, particularly 194 million go to bed hungry daily, without having a proper meal that day. So that is the statistics. And if you see, almost 60% of who are hungry are women. So don't you see, there is a big issue, or the hunger issue is a serious one. Do you see the impact there? Women, 60% of those who are hungry are women. And moreover, the children, one side you see there is hunger rate is good, it is on the increase scale, and other side you also have obesity among children, which is on the higher scale. So there is a contradictory factor which is there. If you see, there is almost the urban spends about 30% of their income on food. So one side we have more people spending on food, another side we also have people who are actually suffering without a proper meal a day. And particularly this season, we have rise of people who are starving, who are struggling without food, and they are trying to just get through each day. That is a very difficult situation people are facing around us, wherever we be in around the globe. That is the same situation. And see, Food for Two is an idea that at least one person who's anywhere in the world, they can at least contribute by just stepping out as they go out to buy to any of the supermarkets, or if they just step out for buying anything, they look around some person who's actually struggling without food. Just give one pack of meal to them. And if you're able to help at least two people, one person is able, if he's able to help at least two people, that is the idea that Food for Two is trying to spread, right? Because the government alone, or an institution or a foundation alone cannot solve this major issue, because India also is in a major scale in terms of it is ranking 1 or 2 among the 117 countries in the hunger. As we go higher, only we are in a better level. As we go up, the numbers only we are in a better level. Otherwise, we are still in a serious state, as the statistics say. Yeah. So we all need to get together and take effort to contribute to a hunger-free nation. So that is why we have also initiated the Food for Two challenge. So how it works is, if you are able to go out and help at least one or two who are struggling without food, who are hungry, if you feed them, you either capture the moment, or you can write about it and post it on your social media, tagging other 5 other friends who can also do the same thing and take up the challenge, and also execute it, and also tag another 5 more. So this challenge will go on. It is a good motive. It is with a good motive that we are able to spread goodness among our people through this challenge. We have come across various people doing lots of other challenges, including singing, dancing, various other challenges that we try new things. So why don't we try a Food for Two challenge? Wherever you are, who are out there, who are hungry, who are homeless, let's take this challenge seriously. And we are doing this towards This month end, May 20th, is a World Hunger Day. So we are doing it towards this World Hunger Day as a campaign. So we see that soon this Hunger Day will be not there. It will be removed from our calendar. So that is the idea behind it. So and if it is not possible that you are not able to either get someone a food, you are not able to step out, you are in a situation like that, in a creative way you can spread this campaign. You can, if you have some pictures or if you have taken some photos around, which will replicate or demonstrate the hunger or something around hunger, you can write an you can write, you can do art, you can do several other ways you can spread this campaign. Yeah, with your songs you can come out some creative ways. There are major campaigns around the globe. They have written wonderful songs like Heal the World, and there are several songs like that. So let's spread this with a good intention, good motive, to see that we have a hunger-free world. Yeah, and looking for all of your support, and let's come together with a good intention to have an hunger-free world. Thank you so much.